Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a room tour of the Residence Inn, St. Louis, Missouri, city of Clayton. This location officially opened in April of 2023. This Residence Inn is a 12-story, 170-room hotel. It was noted as the first new hotel to open in downtown Clayton in over 30 years. The average nightly price for a room at this location typically ranged from $188 to $233. Actual rates vary based on the season, day of the week, and the specific suite type selected. The hotel is neighbored by Shaw Park. Shaw Park is Clayton, Missouri's oldest and largest park, featuring extensive recreational facilities like an aquatic center, playgrounds including an inclusive treetop playground, tennis courts, ball fields, and much more. The hotel sits about 3 to 4 miles from the St. Louis Zoo by car, 11 miles from the iconic Gateway Arch. By car, a 17-minute ride. By public transit, a 35-minute ride. You would take the Forsyth Station and exit at the Laclede Landing Station. And folks, the hotel is only 1 mile away from the largest shopping mall in the region, the St. Louis Galleria. Hey, we'd like to take this time to say thank you for traveling with the Chief. This has been an Off the Cliff video.